Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is eloquent. It is pronounced L-A-Quent, and it's spelt E-L-O-Q-U-E-N-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule, where at weekends and over school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Eloquent is an adjective that means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. It's often used to describe someone who expresses themselves clearly, effectively, and with grace. For example, you could say, the speaker delivered an eloquent speech that moved the audience to tears. Or, the writer's eloquent prose captured the beauty of the landscape. The word eloquent comes from the Latin word eloqui, which means to speak out. In the story of the Jungle Book, the wise panther Bagheera often speaks eloquently, offering guidance and wisdom to Mowgli and the other animals. His words are carefully chosen and impactful, making him a respected leader among the jungle creatures. Synonyms for eloquent include articulate, expressive, persuasive, and fluent. Antonyms for eloquent include inarticulate, tongue-tied, and unclear. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, eloquent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.